Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to the introduction video for the Java 8 playlist. Okay, as part of Java 8, the Oracle introduced these features actually. They have introduced the functional interfaces. They have in functional interface we will be writing the default and static methods, and we are going to cover the Lambda expressions actually, Stream API, new date and time API, concurrency enhancements, collection API improvement. After completing this course, you will be well versed with the new features introduced in Java 8. Additionally, you'll be able to write the Lambda expressions in your code and use the power of Stream API to make your code more readable, faster, or more concise actually. Okay. So this is a kind of like an intro video for the Java 8 features. In the next session, we will be looking for the functional interface. We'll be discussing the functional interface. Until then, thank you for watching.